Alright, so if you're watching this, you obviously saw the link or the description of the video saying that this is how to find DCM wire on a 2020 4Runner. I happen to have a TRD off-road premium. It was not easy to get to. So, welcome to upstate New York, all the snow. So, in this dash panel, which is where the directions say to go, I'm gonna grab this light. Right there, hopefully you can see that. Right there is the front side of the fuse box. On the back side of that is where the DCM wire is. Alright, so right there, there's your fuse box. The back side in this harness right here is where you're gonna have to find that pink wire. The way I did it, I went up, hopefully you can see that in the back, and I shimmied around in here and I got to where I could find it at the top of the plug. Up in that harness, the very top of that plug, pin 19, you can find the pink wire. I used a screwdriver and I got up in there and I pulled some slack so it was taut on the bottom of the harness where I just showed you where the plug was. I pulled it out of the harness so I could see the pink wire, and then I fished through the bottom of the harness right here where it goes up, if you can see, up to the plug. I fished through this and I found all the little pink wires. I started pulling on them one by one until I could see that wire get pulled on. That was the best guess that I could use to get up in there, because this fuse box is a nightmare to try to take out. It's connected to this bracket, which has a screw up top there and a screw in the side. So up top in there, and that screw right there. They're a nightmare. And then the screw on the bottom that I just showed you. But there is the remote start unit zip tied up in there. Right there is the first plug, and underneath in here is the second plug that you put into the T-harness. I don't recommend doing this kit. Hopefully in the future they find a different location for that DCM wire, or find a different location to put a T-harness. I did check the far side underneath the passenger kick panel. I couldn't find the plug that it said in the Tacoma. On the StartX website, it has the Tacoma for a reference, and they run the tracer wires all the way over there. I couldn't find the DCM wire over there. Aside from checking resistance and trying to trace it all the way over there, which I didn't feel like doing, that was the best bet. So good luck, and hopefully this video came out okay to post.